Namaste guys, welcome to your own channel Indian Geopolitics. So guys, the recent report of World Press Freedom Index 2023 is in huge discussion across India as well as the world. As per this report, the Press Freedom Index in India has dropped to its new low of 161th rank out of 180 nations. This is a fall from 150th rank in year 2022. I mean, everyone in India is confused over how to react to this report because it is far from the ground reality. So I thought, why not we should discuss this report in brief. If you look at the report, the countries at the top are Norway, Ireland, Sweden, Denmark, etc. However, when you look at India's ranking, I would confess one thing. Yes, there has been a decline in freedom of press in India due to the owning of various news channels by corporate rats or businessmen. But just have a look at American news channels. Even the famous TV channels as well as newspapers are funded by corporations to publish articles in their favor. The best example would be the gun lobby, which ensures no anti-gun control news is published at large scale in the United States. But we can ignore this because every nation has its own set of ground realities. So I looked upon the status of some other nations across the world to compare it with India. Look at Qatar, which manages Al Jazeera. The country's government ensured that the labor skilled in building Qatar football stadium were not highlighted by any chance. But Qatar is supposedly more free than India with its ranking of 105. I mean, if you believe it, then I wish you good luck. Look at Hungary. The current Hungarian president has virtually bought every media company in Hungary. But guess what? Hungary ranks at 72nd position as of 2023. I mean, I have no words. Let's look at some other nations. Look at Afghanistan. Afghanistan under Taliban is ranked at 152. I mean, under a theocratic, Islamist, extremist, autocratic, sexist semi-government, Afghanistan's press is much better than Indian press. Hold your breath. Let's talk about Hong Kong. And I'm talking about post-2019 Hong Kong, which is now under complete control of His Highness Xi Jinping's authoritarian China. But it has bragged 140th rank. Want to hear some more? Just look at Belarus. It is run by the last post-Soviet state dictator Alexander Lukashenko, who in 2021 hijacked a plane to arrest a journalist. But guess what? Belarus is ranked at 157th position. Same can be said about other nations like Pakistan, which is run by a military dictatorship, but it is ranked at 150th spot. Now you would imagine that in a war-torn country, the nation's press freedom ranking would be far worse than India. But hold your breath. Look at Yemen, which is under proxy or civil war for more than decades. It has bragged 165th rank, which is just 4 spots less than India. This means a war-torn Yemen is almost in a similar condition to a peaceful but noisy democratic society of India. I could have listed many more countries to show how hypocritical, biased and narrow-minded this so-called self-appointed protector and flag bearer of freedom are, but I would like to end this video with a short clip of our External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar.
To have a set of self-appointed custodians of the world who find it very difficult to stomach that somebody in India is not looking for their approval, is not willing to play the game they want it to be played.
Stay tuned to know more. Like and subscribe your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Jai Hind.